Title: The Wise Farmer and the Lost Sheep. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise and compassionate farmer named John. John was known far and wide for his kindness, integrity, and his deep love for all his animals. One sunny morning, as John was tending to his flock of sheep, he noticed that one of his sheep, a young and curious one named Daisy, was missing. Concerned, he counted the rest of his sheep, and sure enough, Daisy was nowhere to be found. He searched high and low, calling out her name, but there was no sign of her. Fearing that Daisy might be lost and in danger, John decided to embark on a journey to find her. He knew it would be a challenging and time-consuming task, but he couldn't bear the thought of leaving her alone and afraid in the wilderness. John traveled through dense forests, crossed swift rivers, and climbed steep mountains, all in search of Daisy. Along the way, he met other farmers and villagers who questioned his decision to go to such lengths for a single sheep. "Why waste your time on one lost sheep?" they asked. "You have so many others. It's not worth the trouble." But John remained steadfast in his determination. He explained, "Every life is precious, and every soul deserves our care and attention. Daisy may be just one sheep, but to her, it means the world that someone is willing to go to great lengths to find her." After days of relentless searching, John finally spotted Daisy on a hillside, weak and frightened. He gently carried her back to the safety of his farm, where she was welcomed with open arms by the rest of the flock. Word of John's compassion and determination spread throughout the village, and he became an even more beloved figure in the community. His actions taught everyone an important lesson: the value of empathy, compassion, and going the extra mile to help those in need, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. The moral of the story is that every individual, no matter how seemingly insignificant, deserves care, compassion, and a helping hand when they are in need. It's easy to dismiss the plight of one when you have many, but true kindness lies in the willingness to go the extra mile for the sake of another, just as the wise farmer John did for his beloved Daisy.